Good evening and welcome. I am Anika, bringing you the top headlines from the Travel World Online Newsroom, India's only 24/7 digital travel TV and radio channel. First, the Ministry of Tourism reviews progress of infrastructure projects across states. Delhi Tourism engages industry stakeholders to enhance the visitor experience. The Ministry of Tourism and Netflix partner to launch As Seen on Netflix. EVA Air announces non-stop Taipei Delhi flights starting December 1st. IHCL signs a new gateway hotel in Raipur, expanding its Chhattisgarh footprint. And the Serai Resorts. Bandipur appoints Siddharth Manjeshwar as resort manager. Now, the news in detail. The Ministry of Tourism recently convened a high-level review meeting in New Delhi, chaired by Secretary Shri Bhuvnesh Kumar, to assess tourism infrastructure projects nationwide. The session evaluated initiatives under Swadesh Darshan, Prashad, and Saski schemes, emphasizing expeditious execution and efficient fund utilization. Official data highlights that thousands of crores have been sanctioned across hundreds of projects to boost regional tourism and build world-class tourism assets across states. Delhi Tourism and Transportation Development Corporation recently hosted a stakeholders meeting chaired by Managing Director and CEO Sunil Anchipaka to gather recommendations. Industry leaders from IATO and TAFE suggested improving cleanliness, safety, and monument amenities, alongside setting up airport facilitation counters. Anchipaka announced that double-decker tourist buses will launch shortly alongside a major tourism event planned at Akshardham on August 11th. The Ministry of Tourism, in collaboration with the Ministry of Culture and Netflix, has launched As Seen on Netflix on the Incredible India digital platform. Unveiled in New Delhi by Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and Ted Sarandos, the initiative encourages travelers to explore locations featured in Indian films. Taiwan's EVA Air has announced its first ever non-stop passenger service between Taipei and Delhi, launching on December 1st, 2026. Operating 5 weekly flights, Indian Hotels Company Limited has announced the signing of a gateway hotel in Raipur. This 151-key property will reinforce its expansion strategy across high-growth cities. And the Serai Resorts. Bandipur appoints Siddharth Manjeshwar as resort manager, bringing his extensive hospitality experience to the premier destination. That's all in this news bulletin. For latest news, keep watching Travel World Online, India's only 24/7 digital travel, TV and radio. Signing off, I'm Anika. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.